What's good, everyone? July 10th caught another banger setup today, and I'm going to break down why I ended up taking this trade. So we will look at market open here. So right off market open, price dumped to the downside. We ended up dumping about 175 points to the downside. We took out some key draws on liquidity, but finally got a reversal off of this 4-hour low right here. So I'll jump to the 4-hour time frame. Zoom in here. So we had a 4-hour low, which was right here, and we also had a bullish 4-hour fair value gap, which was right here. Price ended up coming down, filling this bullish gap perfectly, sweeping out this low, and we got that great reaction back to the upside off of that area. So going back to the 1-minute time frame, if we zoom in, we can see that price filled this bullish 4-hour gap absolutely perfectly, swept out the low right there, got really good bullish momentum off of that area. We had our 1-minute inverse. I entered off this candle closure right here, stop loss right below the inverse, and I went break even off this first internal high right here, and then closed my full position at this next internal high right here. So the reason why I closed my position right here, one was because this was already a 1 to 3.7 risk reward, so really big trade. And then next reason why, if we go to the 15-minute time frame, there we can see that we had a bearish, really big bearish fair value gap right here. So price, if we wanted to keep moving to the downside, I knew that price would end up coming up to this bearish gap and possibly react back to the downside and maybe go down and take out previous day low. That's if we were to continue being bearish. You know, if we're bullish, obviously keep moving to the upside, but as we can see on the 1-minute time frame, as soon as price tapped into that bearish gap, which was off of these candles right here, we did get that strong reaction back to the downside. Obviously, we did end up continuing to move higher off of that, but if you didn't move your stop at least to break even or close out your position, you would have got stopped out. So, you know, price moves to prominent highs, prominent lows, and also to unfilled imbalances. So that is the reason why I closed my full position there. Super clean trade today. If you guys took the same setup, let me know in the comments, and I'll be on here tomorrow to break down my trade.